Hi guys, today I've got this really easy messy chignon hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and we're going to take a small slice of hair from above the ears on both sides. Now bring this around to the back of the head and join them together with a clear elastic band. Now I'm going to take a third of the hair that's hanging down on the left hand side, and I'm going to pop my fingers behind that tied off section. Then just pass the hair to your fingers and pull it through and behind that section. Incorporate this with the ponytail you've already got and tie them together with a clear elastic band. Now take a third of the hair from the right hand side, and again we're going to pop our fingers behind that tied off section. Pass the hair to your fingers and pull it through. Combine this section with the ponytail again and join it up all together with a clear elastic band. Grab some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you, and we're just going to pop it on the head and then just pinch and pull the crown area and also at both sides of those twists. Secure the remaining hair into a low ponytail, and on the last twist of that elastic band only pull the ponytail part way through so you're creating a loop. Split the remaining hair in half, and we're going to just twist this towards the head, bring it up to the top of that little chignon and cross them over, and then bring them back down underneath the chignon and tie them together with another clear elastic band. Apply some more texture spray to that little chignon, and we're just going to pinch and pull at that twisted section. And then taking those tail ends, we're just going to wrap them round our fingers, tuck them up and underneath that chignon and secure to the head with a bobby pin or two. Now to keep this nice and secure, push the chignon towards the head and secure with bobby pins on both sides. And then you can pinch and pull at the chignon itself to give it a little bit more texture. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.